Valletta can be easily reached by plane, boat or car. The city's main airport, Malta International Airport, is located just a few miles outside of the city and offers daily flights from across Europe, as well as some international routes. There are also regular ferry services connecting Valletta with several Mediterranean ports. All major car rental companies operate in Valletta, so you can easily rent a car and explore the city and its surrounding areas. Valletta, the capital of Malta, is a fascinating city full of culture and history, dating back to the 16th century. Valletta is home to many stunning baroque palaces, churches, and monuments. The city itself is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in recognition of its rich architectural heritage. With its narrow streets, quaint shops, bustling markets, and vibrant nightlife, Valletta is a unique destination that offers something for everyone. Valletta offers visitors a wide range of activities to enjoy. From sightseeing tours and historical monuments to shopping and nightlife, there is something for everyone. Visitors can explore the city's many museums and galleries, admire the stunning architecture of its churches and palaces, and visit the bustling markets and shops. For those looking for a more active holiday, Valletta also offers a variety of water sports and outdoor activities, such as scuba diving, sailing, kayaking, and hiking. The three cities are a group of fortified cities located just outside of Valletta. The three cities are comprised of Vittoriosa, Senglia, and Cospicua, each of which offers its own unique charm and attractions. Visitors can explore the winding streets and alleyways, visit the many churches and monuments, or marvel at the impressive views from the city walls. There are also a number of restaurants, bars, and cafes in the three cities, offering traditional Maltese cuisine and a vibrant nightlife. Whether you're looking for history or culture, the three cities have something to offer. Valletta is surrounded by a number of beautiful, picturesque towns and villages. Each of these towns and villages has its own unique culture and offers a variety of attractions for tourists. For example, the town of Mdina, located just outside the city walls, is full of winding streets, ancient buildings, and spectacular views. Other nearby towns and villages include Dingley, Mosta, St. Paul's Bay, and Segui, each of which offers a different flavor of Maltese culture. Whether you're looking for stunning views, historical monuments, or delicious local food, Valletta's surrounding areas are sure to have something to offer. Valletta is home to a unique tradition of firing cannons. Every day at noon, the city's cannon is fired from the upper Baracca Gardens, signaling the start of the day. This ancient tradition dates back to the 16th century and is still carried out today. The cannon firing is a popular tourist attraction, with visitors gathering in the gardens to witness the spectacle. After the cannon is fired, visitors can take in the spectacular views of Valletta and the Grand Harbor from the upper Baracca Gardens. Valletta is an ideal destination for boat tours, with its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and its rich history. Boat tours around Valletta offer visitors the chance to explore the city's many monuments and attractions from a different perspective. Popular boat tours include a tour of the Grand Harbor and its fortifications, as well as a trip to the nearby three cities. Passengers can also enjoy a romantic sunset cruise or a tour of the nearby islands. Boat tours provide a unique way of exploring Valletta and its surrounding areas, and are a great way to experience the city's culture and history. Valletta is surrounded by a number of beautiful beaches, all of which offer visitors the chance to relax and enjoy the Mediterranean sun. The closest beach to Valletta is St. George's Bay, which is located just a few miles away, and has a wide range of facilities including a beach bar, sun loungers and umbrellas. Other popular beaches in the area include Golden Bay, Melieha Bay and Paradise Bay, all of which offer stunning views, crystal clear waters, and a range of water sports. Whether you're looking for a relaxing day in the sun or an adventure filled with water sports, Valletta's beaches have something for everyone. For those looking for traditional Maltese pubs and bars, Valletta is the perfect place to find them. The city is home to some of the oldest pubs in the world, many of which have been around since the 1500s. These pubs are typically small and intimate, providing a great place to socialize and enjoy a few drinks with friends or family. Traditional Maltese pubs also offer a variety of traditional Maltese dishes, including Maltese-style pizza and pastizzi, which are small fried pastries filled with ricotta cheese. For those looking for a more modern and international nightlife experience, Valletta has something to offer as well. There are a variety of bars and clubs located around the city. These bars and clubs are perfect for those looking to party the night away or just enjoy a few drinks with friends. Valletta is also home to a number of pubs and restaurants offering international cuisine, making it a great destination for those looking to try something new.